Welcome. Thank you for investing your time with Pilot Precision Products. In this overview, we will cover how to spot opportunities in your shop, how to work with your sales rep, distributor, and/or our tooling concierge to set up a test. Thank you. We at Pilot Precision Products welcome the opportunity to serve as your tooling concierge and recommend the best precision cutting tools for your applications. If you have any questions, please use the link in the video description to schedule a call with Cody Gadro. Look for applications that involve splines, slots, keyways, squares, hexagons, or custom shapes. Using Pilot CNC broaching tools, you can see 5 to 10 times faster cycle time compared to other CNC broaching tools for OD and ID slots and splines, as well as 50 times faster than wire EDM and slots or splines. Features of our CNC broaching motorized slotter include a Y-axis fine adjustment screw, an interchangeable head, and true elliptical cutting. Set up a call with our tooling concierge to explore the best product for your needs, whether standard or special. Have our concierge schedule a date with our field support to visit and see your process if needed. Define your goals for process improvement. Order standard tools for your needs. Open the CNC broaching section of our catalog in the video description below to start looking at our options. Visit our distributor list and contact your local distributor for pricing. After your tool is delivered, plan for application support and apply the tools with our field support and tooling concierge. Thank you for learning about our CNC broaching.